How to make Google Chrome your default web browser in Windows 10. To make Google Chrome your default web browser, you must have already installed Chrome on your computer. In Windows 10, your default browser will be Microsoft Edge. You can easily test this by downloading a web page. Let's say you download this web page. You'll find that the HTML file will be opened in the Edge browser. If you want to open it with your Chrome browser, then you would have to right-click on the icon and choose Google Chrome each time you want to open a downloaded web file. This would be a tedious process. But there's a way to make Chrome the default browser to open the HTML file. So, let's set Chrome as your default browser first. Here's how to do it in Windows 10. On your Windows search bar, type Settings. Also, you can click on the Windows logo and then click on the gear icon. You will be brought to the Settings menu. Click on Apps. Then click on Default Apps. Scroll down and you'll see Web Browser. Currently, Microsoft Edge is set as the default web browser. We want to change that to Google Chrome. Hover your mouse over the Microsoft Edge icon and click once on it. You'll see a list of web browsers installed on your computer. Select Google Chrome. You'll now see Google Chrome set as your default web browser. Let's now go back to the downloaded web page. You'll see that the default browser to open the HTML page has been switched to Google Chrome. That's how you set Google Chrome as your default web browser in Windows 10.